Welcome to my channel. My name is Umar Butt, and today in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can create stunning and professional mobile apps UI within few minutes using Google Stitch. So you can open your browser where your Google account is logged in, and here you can type like Stitch with Google. And here we can open stitch.withgoogle.com. So Stitch, you can see here, like Stitch generates UIs for mobile and web applications, making design ideation fast and easy. So this is incredible. You can open this tool of Google, and now here you need to type your design. So you need to describe your design. I have already, typed the design of my application. It's like, for example, you are going to design an educational app, food delivery app, sports app. It's up to you. So you can see, like, I typed here, act as a lead UI UX designer specialized in edtech and developer tools. I need a detailed design specifications for the 6 core screens of a mobile app for an IT institute. Like design aesthetics, I applied style, modern, clean, tech focused. You can change according to your requirement. Theme, like I like to generate dark mode theme with some electric blue or matrix green colors for call to action buttons. You can change them. Typography, you can apply according to your requirements. Then 6 different screens I applied, like the student dashboard, homepage, then course catalog, explore, then course detail view. There will be top on the video player, then middle info, title, enroll now, sticky button at the bottom. Everything I mentioned in all screens. So you will also mention just like this, and then output this as a structured list of UI components for each screen. We will copy this and we will describe our design here. Make sure you have selected app, because in this video we're gonna see about the mobile application. And then you can click on generate. So Google Stitch is now working, and after a few minutes it will give us incredible results, amazing results, and we can see the mobile app UIs here according to the prompt that I gave to the Google Stitch. And you can see now, see, it is generating 6 screens that I mentioned in the prompt: student dashboard, course catalog, course detail view, everything I mentioned here. So you will also mention all these things categorically, according to the screens, and then within few minutes it will design your app UIs. I will pause the video now. Once it complete, we'll resume from there. So you can see, like, the course detail view page is, like, it's almost ready. So you can see a video player is there, full stack development with Python. The title is there, and introduction and everything, like, you can see here. And student profile also now almost ready. So it is generating one by one. Now course catalog also, you can see it is there, and still it's preparing other pages, other UIs, other screen UIs. So you can see now student dashboard is also there. So see how much money and time you can save now. Instead of paying to a professional mobile app UI designer, sorry, so you can now design and develop, yourself. And time also you can manage, and money also you can save. incredible. It is ready. The magic has been done. Let me show you now. Here are 4 tools like select. So you can select, like I want to select student dashboard, I can select it. I want to select course catalog, so you can see this will select. We can select screens from this tool. Then we have pan, so we can move the, see, entire screen here, entire dashboard. And here we can, if we want to zoom, for example, like I want to zoom, so I can zoom easily. See, from here you can see like this is 210%, so we can select like fit to screen, or one by one, like zoom out, or fit to screen you can also select. And here you can see, for example, this one, the upload image to canvas, so you can also upload images to canvas. So here you can see like the student dashboard also we can see here. Okay, so see, incredible. And see, this is the code playground screen, this is student profile, this is lesson interface. See, it looks amazing. See, this is course detail view. And here you can see like notes, resources, and discussion in the lesson interface. In the course catalog, see, like this one course is pro and this is free, showing pro. And then below you can see also see icons, you know, and links. And here profile, it is amazing. See, we can select any, and you can generate variations, you can regenerate if you want. You can edit like preview, you can edit theme, for example. Here you want to edit the themes, color you want to change. You remember I mentioned, like you can see here the colors, neon colors, you know, like green. So you can see neon colors for call to actions buttons, you can see here. So any screen if you select, I was telling, like more, you can view code here, you can export it, you can download it, you can also delete the screen. You can also go to this, and you can projects also, you can download project, you can duplicate project, you can you know, delete the project once you you know, like download the project. So you can see here you have downloaded the project. So it is amazing. So, you know, as I told you, you can export this also. So you can see description, build with AI Studio. You can click export as zip file or copy to clipboard. Multiple screens are copied, or zip. You can also as a zip, you can export. So this is incredible, and you can do a lot of things as I told you. So Google Stitch allows you to design mobile app UIs within few minutes. Incredible. So thank you so much for watching the video. Share the video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.